Science with Nolan. Today we're making a maker's kit. Today we're making the boat, which is right here.
What about the other ones?
In the future, we're going to make all the other ones.
Okay, let's open her up.
Now we got the package all opened up. It's time to read the instructions to see how to build it. The boat's on page 34.
Okay.
So there's page 9. There it is. Page 34.
Okay.
Okay. So now, first, we need
Let's get all of our gear first. What gear does it say we need?
It says we need the propeller.
Okay.
So kind of hard.
Nice.
Okay. Now we got the propeller out. Now we need this motor right here. We need this piece right here. And after this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. And be sure that you click the thumbs up.
Come help you.
Okay, so it says we need this piece. Okay, so you got that piece.
Okay.
Looks like it's telling us to stick the propeller on this side.
Looks like we're gonna need a little tray.
But when I spin the propeller, the motor inside it like spins. It's cool. Wait, Dad, does this go in here? Like, I think this goes in here.
Okay. Says we're gonna need some sort of tray or a lid or something.
Okay.
So,
I'm putting the top on right here. Top's on.
Perfect. Do we need batteries?
Yes.
Magic. Be right back. I think I know right where to go to get our lid. You keep working. Haha.
Here's
Tupperware.
our lid.
We need a paper cup. Let's see if we can find one of those.
I think we have one.
Where? Come on, show us where you think it is.
I think they're in the...
Shock mat. We have shock mats because we have a cat that won't listen.
I think they're all in here. We have cups.
Little one.
Like we have these.
These are too tiny.
What about these red ones?
Yeah, I can use a solar cup. I'm sure that'll be okay.
If you haven't seen our video that we made yesterday, I don't remember, the day before yesterday, make sure it's this video where I did a bottle flip and it landed on its bottom and we saw one of the first Teslas ever made. If you haven't watched that video, be sure after this video you should watch it. And if you haven't seen any other of our videos, make sure you go watch them.
Okay. So, let's get started. We have all of our supplies, right? We have the
Propeller.
All right. What about this?
AAA batteries.
What's this? Duct tape.
Duct tape. And some scissors.
And our
Lid.
lid.
Cup. I don't think this is big enough.
We'll see. We might need to move it around. Maybe we'll put it like that. Okay. What else do we need? Looks like we need the battery pack. This guy. Okay.
We're not gonna put all the wires in right now because first we gotta get all the supplies out. Because we don't just wanna immediately get all our stuff like.
We have our lever switch.
Yeah. Wait. supposed to go down?
Mm-hmm, that's the lever.
Where's the camera recording?
The camera is recording. It's on right now.
Wait.
Sound module. I believe that's the sound module.
Wait, is this supposed to make sounds?
Maybe. I don't
I
know.
think that's the sound.
You're right. That's the sound module. Oh, it goes right there. So then that's the hub. I'm sorry.
Okay.
That's the hub. Duh. This is the sound module. See, it's got the bell icon, which you should click to make sure you're notified of all of our videos.
If you can't really see it, I'll put it a little closer to the camera.
And we need the wires. So we're not using.
We
are using the pole, the shaft.
We're not using the tires because everyone knows that boats don't have tires.
Right. Okay. So what do you want to do first? Let's see.
We need 2 bottles.
Okay. Where are them bottles?
Our bottles are right here.
Perfecto. Let's see what we can do.
Fit?
Will they fit?
Yes, they fit.
All right, they fit. You want me to do the tape?
Yes.
Can I do the honors?
No, I want to do the honors.
I want to do the honors.
No, I want to do the honors.
Together. All right, hold them together. Here, you do the tape. Hold them together. Okay.
Wait, can plastic dissolve in water?
No, not for a long time. Millions of years. Okay, let's see. Get it nice and tight.
What?
Really struggling here.
No. Okay.
Make sure they're nice and straight. Okay. Well, this is no $1 million yacht, but we're getting close. Okay.
So we got the bottles on.
Okay. Right, and then now we do the fan. Here, I'll let you do it. Looking good. Okay. Why don't we put these batteries in here?
Okay.
You need a screwdriver. There should be one right in there in the top drawer.
Okay.
You want to get it, or you want me to do it?
I'm gonna get it.
Okay.
So where do I put it?
Right here.
Okay.
Other way. Lefty loosey.
I forgot. It's not working.
You got it.
No.
All right, so let's put one battery in. Next battery. Last battery. Okay.
I just did something silly.
What did you do?
I was like,
Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You gotta screw this. Here. Screw that tight.
okay, I think it's tight. I think it's tight enough.
Okay, great. So, next thing is we want to start connecting some of these wires to the hub. This is called the hub. So, grab the hub, and you've got one red wire. Hold on, but we got to make sure you see the positive and you see the negative symbol, right? So where do you see on the diagram the light? Right here. For our viewers at home, we're following this diagram. So you see the red wire, trace that one, and put it on the corner part of the hub.
But
Right
there's
there.
2 wires that go in the light.
The red wire.
Okay, here's the red
And
wire.
put that one right there.
Wait,
Right there in that one.
this
Turn
one?
it the other way. Turn it the other way.
Wait, this one?
Yep. That's it. Let's do the black wire now. It's gonna go right, once it snaps in, it should be good. See, the black wire is gonna click right in that one right there. It's your ground wire.
Oh, this is too hard.
Yeah. Ooh, that is tough. Okay, so we have this. So what do we want to connect next? Do we want to connect the sound module?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Perfect. And then trace it, and it looks like it wants you to go all the way to this one right there. Right?
That one?
Mm-hmm. I'll rotate it for you. Okay. Let's grab it needs another red wire now. It wants this one to go right there, dead center.
Wait. There.
Perfect. Okay. And then so next we've got the light, we've got the sound module. We need the fan.
The fan.
Right here.
Where?
Looks like it's got the connectors right there. Now, which wire goes into the plus? Do you remember?
The red wires go on the plus?
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then so find an open plus sign. Mm-hmm. Flip it the other way so it's pointing out. Yeah, like.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So then we need a black wire then, right? Because it has a minus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, I get it now. I get it.
Yeah?
So many wires.
I'll hold it for you.
Ooh.
Will help. That was tricky. So then it looks like the last thing we need
Is
is
this one?
we got to connect to the battery pack.
Wait, there's still an open red one.
We're gonna get there. Yeah. So there's a red one. And that red one looks like it's gonna want to go. Perfect. They want that red one to go right here.
Where?
This one right there. Mm-hmm. And then they want another red one to go from here to here. So when we do boom to boom. Make sense? This is putting in a switch, because what this will allow is once we push the switch, it'll turn it on and off. Otherwise, if there was no switch, it would just be always on until the battery ran out. So
wait, is this the switch?
Mm-hmm. So the switch is what's going to control it, and you add switches in there to either complete or break the circuit. So the last thing we need is that last black wire. You got it. And
I know where to put it.
Awesome.
Put it in the wall. It's not coming off.
Well, this is when we now check to make sure that we've got all of our connections working right. Okay? We can disable it by undoing a wire. Now you can let go. And we're going to troubleshoot for just a minute to figure out exactly how to get this boat working. Okay? Be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, after a little bit of troubleshooting, we finally figured it out. What do we have to do?
Reset the motor.
Okay, and because this is a always on switch or a push button switch that it temporarily turns it off, we don't want that just going crazy. So once he plugs it into this one here, I'm gonna be ready with the tape and tape the switch down.
How about we just tape it first and then I plug it in so it doesn't come off?
You want me to do it? That way we can show them it works. Hold the fan up. Right? All right, let's tape it down. And put it right there. And when we're ready to do our bath tonight, we can pull the tape up, correct? There we go. Now, do you want to plug it in for me?
Mhm.
Okay. Great. Okay, so now we got everything wired up. We know it works. We're ready to assemble our boat. Okay? So we've done the bottles, right? So the next part is what? It looks like it's the cup. So it's telling us to stuff everything inside our cup, right? So we made a hole for the LED light. You want me to try to stuff that in there? It's kind of deep.
Yeah. Can you stuff everything? Cause
Sure. You got tiny kid hands. There's the LED light.
I wonder what it looks like.
Okay. It looks like the battery pack in here. They want all of this. They want the sound module.
Even the motor?
Not the motor. That's the only thing they don't want in here. Okay?
Look, you can make your own things.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're decorating.
If you have this kit at home, if you want to make the boat, you can actually like decorate the cup. Like you can see there's an anchor on that one, and that one looks like a monster, whatever it's called.
Yep.
I don't know what it's called, but.
Okay. We're just knocking all kinds of stuff over today. Okay, let's see. Put that strip right there. Let's move this up forward a little bit. Halfway. Okay, move your
We're
finger.
about to tape my thing.
I'm gonna tape your whole hand down. Okay, let's see if we can clean it up a little bit. Okay, why don't you put that propeller on?
Then our boat will be finished.
Yep. All right, let's check the weight of the boat. It looks like it's a little top heavy.
That's okay. The bottles have air in it.
Mm-hmm.
It'll probably float.
What we can do is if we need to, we can move the cup forward a little bit so it balances the boat out. We could also try putting a little bit of water in the water bottles and they can act like ballasts. That's what they'd be calling like a pontoon boat. You know Ashley's pontoon boat? Whoops.
Whoopsies.
All right. And then we just got the little switch and when we're ready to go. So in a minute, we're gonna do bath time and we'll see you in a second, okay?
Okay.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, guys. We're gonna test it and see if it moves. Doesn't really go. It goes backwards.
Maybe that's the propeller. Maybe it's spinning the wrong way. Okay, well what do we say to our viewers? Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Oh, and
Have a good night.
if you're lucky, you too can get a
Bath bomb.
train bath bomb.
Whoa! Whoa!
All right, guys. It's bath time. See you later.
Okay.
I got 2 thumbs.
I got 3 thumbs.
Okay.
Now I have 4 thumbs.